Mastering Reading Strategies for Humanities and Social Sciences. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of humanities and social sciences. More importantly, we'll learn some essential reading strategies that can help you understand, analyze, and extract information from texts in these disciplines. The first step in applying effective reading strategies is to understand the nature of the texts we're dealing with. Texts in humanities and social sciences often involve analysis, discussion, and interpretation of human behavior, social structures, culture, and historical events. They are typically rich in context, require a certain level of background knowledge, and may have complex argument structures. This is why our reading strategies should be tailored specifically to these characteristics. Active reading is a strategy where you engage with the text, constantly asking questions, making connections, and summarizing information. When reading texts in humanities and social sciences, it's crucial to actively interact with the content. This can involve highlighting or underlining key points, annotating thoughts, questions, or observations in the margins, summarizing sections in your own words, making connections to other texts, ideas, or real-world events. Critical analysis involves questioning and evaluating the information presented in the text. In humanities and social sciences, texts often present theories, arguments, or interpretations. Thus, it's crucial to not just understand the text, but also evaluate its validity. Ask questions like, what is the author's argument? How does the author support their argument? Is the evidence provided reliable and relevant? Are there any biases in the text? In humanities and social sciences, understanding the context can greatly enhance your comprehension. The context can include the historical period, cultural background, or the author's personal background. Try to identify the social, cultural, or historical context of the text. Understand how the context might influence the text's content or perspective. Texts in humanities and social sciences often use discipline-specific vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary in these areas can significantly enhance your comprehension. Note down unfamiliar words, look up their meanings, and try to use them in sentences. Identify discipline-specific terms and try to understand them in the context they are used. And there you have it. By using active reading, critical analysis, contextual understanding, and vocabulary expansion strategies, you can greatly enhance your comprehension of humanities and social sciences texts. Remember, the key to mastering these reading strategies is practice. So, pick up a text, start reading, and don't forget to use these strategies. Happy reading and see you in the next video.